Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by proving you own the device and can access its account. Locate the device UID or serial and the registered Hik Connect email or phone. Once done, sign into Hik Connect and make sure the recorder or camera is online on the same account. If you have local admin credentials, keep them ready. If not, gather proof of purchase and serial number. These items let you pursue legitimate recovery or reset rather than guessing an encryption password. Once you've confirmed ownership, follow the official recovery paths. Use the Hik Connect app's account reset to regain access to the cloud account. This restores control without exposing encryption keys. If the recorder has a local forgot password or reset code procedure, follow the manufacturer's steps while online. If those steps fail, contact Hikvision support or an authorized dealer. Provide serial, purchase proof, and account info so they can issue an approved reset. Finish by applying the authorized reset or reconfiguration, and then re-adding the device to your Hik Connect account. Make a strong, unique encryption password and save it in a secure manager or offline record. Once reconnected, verify remote access, encryption status, and firmware is up to date. If anything goes wrong, escalate with Hikvision support and keep the case number. This ensures traceability and helps resolve authorization checks quickly rather than attempting insecure or unsupported retrieval.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.